gather ye together first. Unahin ang mga tares, mga kapatid. Bind them in bundles to burn them, but gather the wheat into my barn. Now remember, this is a parable. Verse 31. Hallelujah. Verse 34. Let's jump to verse 34. Here we go. All these things speak Jesus unto the multitude in parables. But without a parable speak he not unto them. When Jesus spoke to the people, to the listeners in public, he always used parables. Because it was written, according to verse 35, hallelujah, verse 35, that it might be fulfilled, which was spoken by the prophet, saying, I will open my mouth in parables. I will utter things which have been kept secret from the foundation of the world.